Hello, namaste, hola. Happy New Year. It's been a great 2018 for the Momo sisters. 1,000 plus subs. That's not a joke. It's serious, like Momo. Let's look back at how it all started on another vlog channel called Namrata Leo. The two sisters collaborated on making a video, Chicken Bacon Momo to be exact, and decided to open a channel called Watch and Enjoy. No! Mario! Otarbina!
Are you ready for this? Let's do this.
Namaste YouTube and welcome to my channel. Today I have my sister with me and her name is Trish.
Namaste YouTube.
And together we are Momo Sisters. I think we should wash our hands first, Trish.
Let's go.
What is Momo, you may ask?
Momo is a Nepali dish.
Probably the most famous.
Well, in our opinion.
Basically, it's meat or a veg filter dumpling.
Think about Chinese dumpling. Meets traditional Nepali spices, which makes it very unique.
Better than dim sum. They say that Momo was introduced to Nepal from Tibet by Nepali Newari traders and has ever since evolved into various styles such as
Momo cha,
Kothe Momo,
chicken momo,
sea Momo,
pork momo, king momo, butter momo, chicken momo, veg momo.
But today, the Momo Sisters bring you a world exclusive. For the very first time, Chicken Bacon Momo! So why Chicken and Bacon Momo? Well, I would like to give that English touch by adding the bacon to the filling,
which provides great level of juiciness and enhances the texture of the filling.
So I'm taking my 500 gram of minced chicken into the mixing bowl, and then I'm adding 500 gram of chopped bacon, mixing them together, adding salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder just to get that Nepali Momo taste. I'm going to add diced red onions into the mix. I feel that red onions adds a stronger caramelization and flavor to the Momo. Mix them all in. I can really smell that onion aroma. Adding a ball of chopped spring onions and mixing them all together. Wow, this is so therapeutic. A great stress reliever. Mixing them again. Adding some olive oil to the mix just to bring out the juiciness. Oh, speaking about juiciness, ginger juice is the key ingredient to bring the flavor out of Momo. Yes! Momo wrapper time! I'm doing it old school, but if you guys don't want the hassle, then just pop into your local Asian store where you can buy them ready-made. But I chose the hard way. Oh, and excuse my rolling pin. I also use it as a weapon sometimes, but only in self-defense. So wrapping time! Pinch press, that's how we do it.
Today, achar completes the Momo experience.
It is a tomato and chili based dipping sauce.
In Momo, no achar is a big no-no.
We're taking some boiled cherry tomatoes into the container, following up with deep fried dry chilies and some green chilies, chopped ginger garlic paste, sesame seed powder, salt to taste, and some coriander for aroma. Lastly, lemon juice. Blend them all together. And your achar is ready. 15 to 20 minutes and your momo is ready. Serve them on the plate with achar. Olives are optional.
The Momo moment of truth. And to help us today with our experiment, we have my dear mother-in-law, Mrs. Usha Rai. What do you think, Mommy? Let her finish this first.
Really, really delicious. Chewy, juicy. I give you full marks. I really loved it. Let me try this one first. Second.
Oh, nice and juicy.
Oh, it's mouth licking. Oh, so looking nice, and the taste, this combination, I say yes, yes.
Is it
yes,
thumbs up?
Well done. Thumbs up.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. So much.
Cheers.
More cheers.
Okay, well done, lucky lady. अलिकति यो बेटर हो किनभने अब यो अलिकति सफ्ट जस्तो भयो अलिक
यो चाहिँ किनकि बिफको हो के
ए हो
बिफ खानुहुन्छ आन्टी
नट डिपली डिपली एकदमै डिपली नट डिपली लभ अरे के
Okay, I was lying. That was chicken and bacon, and that was just pure chicken momo, like our traditional chicken momo, and that was the chicken bacon. And as you can see, we didn't tell her which one was which, and what she chose? She chose chicken bacon.
Chicken bacon.
That's what she chose.
Chicken bacon momo wins.
That was the real winner. So let's give a big hand.
I love chicken and
Bacon.
If you really fancy it, please like, share and subscribe to Namrata Leo.
So please do let me know if you liked our experiments of chicken and bacon momo. If you have to say anything about it, please do comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button as she said. And that's Namrata Leo. See you later guys. Bye.
Bye.
Love you all.
Love you.
Thanks
Love
for
you all.
watching.
Say all together is really definitely the excellent. धेरै लभ भनेर ठोमा हुन्छ प्लिज लाइक कमेन्ट एन्ड मैले रिहर्सल गरेको के नम्रता लियो भने तिमीले दासी भन है